Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Next question from the poem Upagupta. Woman, go on your way. This is an extract from the poem. Okay, so you have to answer the following questions. ಇಲ್ಲಿ poem ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ extract ಇದು. Woman, go on your way ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Who is the speaker here? ಯಾರು ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಉಪಗುಪ್ತ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನ? ಉಪಗುಪ್ತ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. Whom was it said to? ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ವುಮನ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೇ. ನಿನ್ನ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರು? Whom was it said? It was said to Vasavadatta, the dancing girl. So, Upagupta, dancing girl, Vasavadatta ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು a woman go on your way ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ? When was it said? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಉಪಗುಪ್ತ ವಾಸವದತ್ತಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? What is the situation when he said that women go on your way? It was said when she invited him to her home. Why did she invite? Because she saw him sleeping on the dusty ground. Okay, so then she invited him to come to her home. Okay, so then when she invited him to come to her home, he said that woman go on your way. Adanna he politely refused the invitation and he told her to go on her way. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆತ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಧೇಯನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಆಮಂತ್ರಣವನ್ನ ನಿರಾಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಉಪಗುಪ್ತ ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ 3 marks. 3 questions, 3 marks. Okay, thank you.